Can't believe you have to sit 2 seats away from each other. Yeah, well, I know my seat is right here. Cool. My seat is all the way over there. Do you want my camera? Oh, sure. Here. Thanks. Nice and comfortable, I guess. It's really boring here. Oh, hey, dude. Who are you? Hey, don't you run those LPS Vivian productions? Oh, why, yes. I'm a real fan. Hey, I'm glad I'm sitting next to you. Cool. So nice. I guess I'll be filming a little bit. Oh. So now, hey guys, it's LPS Vivian, and I'm with myself. It's no problem. So, if you can see, it's not really, it's kind of blurry in here actually. I hope you can see me a little better. It's just a little smushed in here. We're on an airplane from Canada to New York because we're going around a world trip to meet some of our fans, make some more YouTube videos. But what was that? Hey man, do you know what's happening? Oh, I think that was that the pilot dropped something. Okay. Well, I don't know what that was. Oh well, sorry about that. And yeah, I'm kind of bored and I don't really have anything to do, so yeah. See you guys in the next one. Bye. That was very tiring, I guess. I actually don't have anything to do. OMG, are you Lps Vivian? Yeah, I'm one of the workers there. What's up? I'm a big fan. Marry me. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Personal space here. Personal space. What's up? I'm just a fan. I was like, OMG, is that the actual Jacob Spielberg's? It's not Jacob Spielberg's. And what is your name? My name is Austin Ryberts. Oh my god! I haven't barely seen you, but I was like, you're so hot. OMG! I'm so glad to meet you. I'm glad to meet you too, I guess, but you're supposed to be in your seatbelts, right? Really? Oh, I don't know. Yeah, I'm just so excited. Yay! Someone come get this girl. What's going on right here? I'm meeting the best YouTuber ever. Isn't that so? It is very so. Well, you're not allowed to be out of your seats until the sign clearly says get out of your seats and move around. The seatbelt sign is on right now, so you should be sitting down. You should not. I'm telling you, ma'am, for the last time, or else we're gonna have to get you out of here right now. Hell no. No. I'm just gonna stay with my handsome. Whoa. I'm not your handsome. That's it. No, you can't. Thank you. 10 minutes later. Beatboxing. Bleh. Are you sure that's beatboxing? For me, it is. Hey, handsome. You scared the heck out of me. What the heck? Auntie, what? Where are you? How did you come back? I don't know. Marry me. Someone help me. You again? What are you doing here? Doing a proposal? Duh. That's it. Come with me. Bye. No. Thank you, God. 1 hour later. Jeez, why is it so dark in here? At least someone turn on a light. That's so much better. It was super dark in here anyways. There's nothing really here to do. Jeez. Like, nothing here. What time is it? Oh, it's getting dark. 3 hours later. Oh my God. Ooh, why is it so dark here? That's much better. Guess I'll go in bed. Ding! What? The length is in 3 minutes. I repeat, 3 minutes. Thank you. I might as well go and tell Brooklyn. Hey, Brooke. Brooke. Yeah? Our flight is in 3 minutes. Oh, okay. Okay. 3 minutes later. Our flight is here. What do you mean flight is here? We've reached our destination. Thank you all for joining us. Let's go. Wait up. Thank you all for watching this video, and I hope you subscribe to Lps Vivian. Totally. Thank you for collaborating with us today. Austin. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next one.